Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enter the secret room on the new Dress to Impress Valentine's Day update. So you're going to just go to the first chapter here. I'm just going to skip it. And then I am going to go here to the gate. And I'm just going to skip it so you guys can see what to do. We are going to find the potions room. So we're going to go here and we're going to light up all of the... Okay, well, we're going to go to the cutscene first. And just skip this. And then we're going to light all 5 lanterns. There's 5, so make sure you light everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to want to go back to this room, go left, and then press interact. First, you are going to add the bottled Moonlight, which is this one. And you're just going to, again, shake it up and down. Make sure you've done the quest, by the way, because this takes time. And then I'm going to add in Enchanted Water. Like so. And make sure you shake that as well. Once you're done, you're going to add the vampire blood to it. Put that in. Then you're going to add in ashes of, I don't know how to pronounce that, Tartartus. Just keep shaking. And then you're going to add the phantom essence. Sorry, it takes a while for me to do this. Lastly, you are going to add in unicorn here. Then you're gonna shake, shake, shake. There we go. Then you're going to stir the potion like so. Oops. And then I am just going to go back to the lobby and I'm just going to open up Dress to Impress again. And I'm going to go back to the quest, like the Valentine's Day quest. Here I'm just going to go to Valentine's quest, press yes. And then the rooms are hidden in these like tunnels. I actually don't know which one it is. Oh, it's here. You're just going to knock and you're going to be teleported to the secret room. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.